So the temperature's maybe feeling a little cooler this morning. That's why we brought in celebrity chef and cookbook author Noel Cunningham to help us heat things up this morning, right? Man. Good morning, welcome to the show.
Good morning, thanks for having me.
How you doing? Those look like a delicious drink you got there.
Yes,
what are those, Noel?
Well, I was expecting a hot day, but I got tricked. So that's a nice Caribbean punch. Some ginger beer, of course, some grenadine, some pineapple, and some orange juice. No rum. Okay. I know it's a little bit too early.
Okay.
But we can always tip some after.
Yeah, sure. But we can have a little sip of this.
Of course.
Cheers to this. Where did your love of cooking come from, Noel?
It started way back in Jamaica over 15 years. Being in the kitchen with my mom.
Oh yeah. Oh, that is delicious.
Yeah.
Very yummy.
Yeah, and the ginger is coming through, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just being inspired. You know, I'm the only boy from my mom, so of course lots of cooking, and my aunt is a chef as well. So I was just inspired, got introduced to the Food Network, and here I am.
There you go. And so a lot of the recipes that you're working with, are they coming from your mom, or are you kind of a spin off of that?
So I built on it, I spin off on that, put my own interpretation, but there's some foundation definitely there.
Awesome. Yeah. What do you got for us today?
So I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple and easy and delicious crab cake. Okay. But of course I'm taking it to the Caribbean a bit. Okay. So what we need, some nice lump crab here. So we need always fresh ingredients, right? Nice and...
Where do you get your good crab?
Well, I get these at the store, of course.
Yeah.
I didn't go to the sea today.
So it's fine to use it's fine to use some of the frozen stuff.
Yeah.
Because it is a crab cake, right? Because you're putting other things in.
Yeah, but usually these are like in the refrigerator section, and it's pretty good, good quality. So I've got one egg here, some mayonnaise, and then what I'm going to do now some. Can you pronounce this for me? The Worcestershire sauce.
Everybody, how do you say it?
The Worcestershire. Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
All right, you see, I'm not the only one. And then we got some lime juice here, and then so to add that nice Caribbean flavor, this is a Caribbean spice. So it's like, allspice, some black pepper, you name it.
Okay, so that goes into
some
the mix.
dried thyme, some dehydrated. So this I'm using instead of Old Bay. That's what they would use more in the in Maryland. And then I'm using now some mustard powder right here, and that's it.
You're mixing all that up.
Yeah. And
what
then,
do you got here? What is this going in after?
That's some breadcrumbs. So usually they use like a salted crackers, but what I'm doing, I'm using a toasted breadcrumbs that has also some parsley in it. So this is just going to create as a binder.
Oh, to get those patties together.
Yeah. Okay. And all you're going to do now is form your patties. And then this is some Scotch bonnet powder. Add some spice to it.
A little bit of a spice to it.
Yeah.
Too, right? You like things you like a little spice.
Yeah, hot. And then now we form some patties. So you can let this rest a bit. I like to let it rest, and then I form some patties.
Would you put it in the fridge to let it rest?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then that way now it's easy to handle, and you form some.
Okay.
Some
so you already made some, and you got them on the barbecue. Let's open up that barbecue to warm us up a little bit.
Yes.
Oh, nice. There we go.
So we got some right over here. Okay. So usually you pan fry these.
Right.
Or you do like
You might want to put them on something because they might not work as well with the grill. Okay. They're falling apart a little bit.
Just a little bit. So usually you can do like a flat surface.
Right.
But this morning we're just improvising.
Yeah, we're improvising with the barbecue. It's all good. So then so what are you doing with those after they come off then?
So we're just going to clean it up, and then we can serve this with our short corn salsa.
You're doing a salsa too?
Yeah. So our salsa here is some corn. So I've got some corn there.
Yeah.
And just some garlic, some fresh ingredients. That's all you need. And with corn is in season now. So we're using what we have. Some cucumber for freshness, a little lime juice. So all I did was just put the corn on the grill. Yeah. Get it nice and toasty.
Just on the cob? You're cooking it on the cob?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Nice and toasty. And then we get our stuff all plated now and ready.
Oh, so you're taking those right off, and then you're doing the. Toss that on there.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, you're getting on there. You got some other things that you actually made ahead of time too. What else you got here?
Over there, I got a pina colada cupcake, which is right there. Look, it's smoky.
These the cupcakes here?
Yeah, pina colada cupcake has some, some alcohol in it, a little spirit.
Right.
And then now
what's the sliders in the front here?
That's some oxtail sliders.
Oxtail sliders. Okay. Yeah. You got some chicken wings.
Some chicken wings. Okay. That's some barbecue ribs. Of course, these are perfect for outdoor if you're hosting.
Yeah. A little coleslaw. Some
coleslaw, some plantain chips. Of course, in the summer, it's all about being outdoor, right?
Yeah.
Because you want to engage with your guests and your audience. So you don't want to be over the stove. So utilize your grill. Utilize.
Awesome. There you go. There's the finished product.
Okay. Yeah, our finished product.
And these are edible too?
All edible.
Everything else.
All edible.
Where can we find these recipes?
So these recipes are on my website, cuisinebynowell.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at I am Chef Noel. I'm there with some good recipes daily.
We'll get you. We'll get it hooked up with our website, chch.com/morning live, and we'll have you back when it's nice and hot.
I know, right?
But you're heated up for us today. Thanks, buddy.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah,
cheers.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, man.
Until next time.
Yeah.